We have Dr. Megha Dhillon. Dr. Dhillon, I'd like to ask you, why is it important to promote body confidence from a young age? Why is it critical to touch young lives while they are still adolescent? And how far can it go in tackling narrow ideas of beauty?
So adolescence is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood. And transitions are tough. And this is a particularly complex transition because there are multiple changes happening simultaneously in the adolescent. Physical changes, psychological changes, social changes. Psychologically, teenagers tend to be very self-conscious, and they also place a very high value on the opinions and evaluations of their peers, which is what makes them vulnerable to body esteem issues. And that is why we must work with adolescents. And another thing we all know is that the experiences we have in our teenage years can leave an imprint upon us for the rest of our lives, which is why it's imperative that we give young people positive experiences and give them the guidance and the support that they need. And I feel any psychological input should start earlier rather than later, so that young people have the skills they need well in time to deal with any complicated or triggering situations.
Dr. Megha Dhillon, you've worked with different communities and especially with economically disadvantaged youth through the NGOs that you're associated with. You use lessons from psychology to try and enhance their feeling of well-being. How have you seen their self-esteem in their education? Has it created an impact, this self-esteem education?
Well, I think self-esteem education is a very important component, should be a very important component of what we do with young people in schools and colleges. In 2017, we conducted a project in 4 government schools in Delhi. We held workshops for adolescent girls on creating healthy self-esteem. Now, one reason why adolescents may have low self-esteem is that they tend to overemphasize their weaknesses and minimize their strengths. So one goal of the workshops was to get young girls to also recognize their strengths and understand that whatever weaknesses there may be, they're perfectly natural, present in everyone, and can be worked upon. So after conducting 3 workshops in every school, we evaluated the outcomes of the workshop. The results were definitely encouraging. There was enhancement in self-esteem among the girls that we worked with. However, I do believe that any program that we do on self-esteem must be done in conjunction with other programs that young people need. For example, programs that emphasize academic support, programs that emphasize vocational skills, programs that emphasize mental health. And I think together then, these programs can really create a positive impact in the lives of adolescents.
डॉक्टर ढिलन, आपने एक रिसर्च के जो विज्ञापन और सोशल मीडिया किस तरह से असर करता है हमारे युवाओं पर, एक अनरियलिस्टिक अपीयरेंस एक तरफ है, नकारात्मकता की बात होती है, लेकिन एक पॉजिटिव बिहेवियर की बात भी है, वो भी बदलाव ला सकती है, उस लिहाज से क्या देखा है आपने?
एक्चुअली ये आपका क्वेश्चन जो है, ये सवाल बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है और मुझसे कभी ये क्वेश्चन किसी ने पूछा नहीं है. इस पर कोई ज्यादा रिसर्च नहीं हुई है, थोड़ी बहुत ही रिसर्च हुई है और मेनली विमेन पे हुई है, यंग विमेन पे. जितनी भी रिसर्च हुई है, चाहे वो एडवर्टाइजिंग पे हो या सोशल मीडिया पे हो जैसे इंस्टाग्राम, उस रिसर्च ने ये दिखाया है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स एंड सोशल मीडिया एक माध्यम बन सकते हैं पॉजिटिव बॉडी इमेज को प्रमोट करने के लिए. अब एक मैंने रिसर्च पढ़ी जिसमें रिसर्चर्स ने एक क्लोथिंग कंपनी की एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन को चूज करा. उस कैंपेन का यूएसपी ये था कि उसमें कोई भी फोटोशॉप नहीं थी. सारी फोटोज अनटच थी, सारे मॉडल्स अपने नेचुरल फॉर्म में ही दिख रहे थे. वो फोटोग्राफ्स यंग विमेन को दिखाई गई और उनसे पूछा गया कि वो कैंपेन के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं. बहुत औरतों ने कहा कि उनको वो कैंपेन बहुत अच्छी लगी बिकॉज उस कैंपेन ने प्रमोट करा बॉडी डाइवर्सिटी को, अलग अलग टाइप्स ऑफ बॉडी को. विमेन ऑल्सो सेड, उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि इन फोटोग्राफ्स को देखकर उनको खुद के बारे में भी अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि फोटोग्राफ्स इतनी नेचुरल थी। और उन औरतों ने ये भी कहा कि वो इस कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट जरूर खरीदना चाहेंगे। सो निकल के तो ये आया कि अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स बॉडी इमेज पॉजिटिविटी को प्रमोट करती हैं तो ये क्लाइंट्स के लिए तो अच्छा होता ही है, बिजनेस के लिए भी अच्छा होता है। सो देन व्हाई नॉट।